Hi, I'm Leslie,
And I'm Mariah.
and we're the faces behind Book Me, Bite Me. Check out our accompanying website at bookmebiteme.com. Our mission is to inspire lifelong readership among international learners of English.
We provide content to improve your listening, speaking, vocabulary, and reading.
Today, we have a new poem that we'd like to share with you, and it goes along with our post on our website that will be debuting on Friday. As you know, we update almost every Friday. So our post is going to be on the amazing author Judith Viorst. We don't know that much about her. We're only interested in reading her materials. I haven't read anything on her bio yet. However, I will say that I do love this poem. It's entitled Starting on Monday. And if you can't get it yet, it has to do with procrastination.
What does procrastination mean, Leslie?
Procrastination means putting something that you need to do now, putting it off, delaying it, not doing what you're supposed to do when you're supposed to do it.
Because we never procrastinate, right?
Right? Not. So we'll begin with sharing with you this poem. We'll read it, and then we'll discuss it with you. So it's called Starting on Monday, and I don't know if you can tell the beautiful illustration here.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah. So starting on Monday. Starting on Monday, I'm living on carrots and bouillon. Starting on Monday, I'm bidding the bagel adieu. I'm switching from Hershey's with almonds to gaunt and anemic. And people will ask me, could that skinny person be you? I'll count every calorie from squash, half a cup at 47, to Lifesavers, 8, stalks of celery, 5, pepper rings at 2, starting on Monday. Starting on Monday, I'll jog for a mile in the morning. That's after the sit-ups and push-ups and touching my toes. The gratification I once used to seek in lasagna, I'll find on that day that I have to go buy smaller clothes. I'll turn my attention from infantile pleasures like Clark bars to things like the song of a bird and the scent of a rose, starting on Monday. Starting on Monday, my will be stronger than brownies, and anything more than an unsalted egg will seem crude. My inner thigh fat and my upper arm flab will diminish. Aww. My cheeks will be hollowed, my ribs will begin to protrude, the bones of my pelvis will make their initial appearance, a testament to my relentless abstention from food, starting on Monday.
But Tuesday, a friend came for coffee and brought homemade muffins. And Wednesday, I had to quit jogging because of my back.
Of course you would.
True story. On Thursday, I read in the paper that an excess of egg yolk would clog up my vessels and certainly cause an attack. On Friday, we ate at the Goldfarb's. She always makes cream sauce.
I don't like cream sauce.
And always gets sulky if people don't eat what she makes. On Saturday evening, we went with the kids to a drive-in. I begged for a Fresca, but all they were selling were shakes. On Sunday, my stomach oozed over the top of my waistband. No visual there needed. And filled with self-loathing, I sought consolation in pie. And the thought that Onassis could bribe me with yachts and with emeralds. But still I'd refuse to taste even a single French fry. Starting on Monday.
So as you can tell, this poem is about procrastination. And I really liked it because it reminded me of something that my mom used to say. And for now, we'll begin with a few of our takeaways. My first takeaway is my mom always used to say, avoid mañana syndrome. And if you're not from South Florida or you don't speak Spanish, mañana is the word for tomorrow. And I always felt that mañana syndrome seemed like what I was into. Everything sounds better if we start it tomorrow. It's like, I need time to prepare. We'll start it tomorrow. Why not start it now? So that was one of my takeaways. Another one of my takeaways was the idea that you pull everything together in your life for a plan of action, and the minute that you do, it's like the entire universe conspires against you. That happened to us today. Mariah's husband is my newfound trainer, physical trainer, and he's like, no sugar. And of course, today at the office, who brings chocolate vanilla cupcakes?
Chocolate vanilla cupcakes. They were soft
Yes,
and moist
and fresh,
and had buttercream frosting on top, which I know not everybody likes,
but it was so tempting.
And they were beautiful.
Yes,
and yeah.
And they were just there. And even better, no one was around. It was just like ready for the taking. So it's that idea that, oh, I got a trainer. I'm pulling my life together. I want to accomplish this goal. And all of a sudden, it'll rain, or someone brings in brownies, or you get invited to go somewhere, and everything just tries to break.
I'll have a cupcake and I'll start on Monday.
So that was one of my takeaways, that if you are pulling your life together and you have a plan of action, already take our advice on it, and Judith Viorst, know that something will try to throw you off your course.
Which brings us to our third takeaway, which is never tell yourself starting on Monday. Because what it reminded me of was, I'll start in the new year, I'll start in the first of the month, I'll start next week, right? Why do we always want to start on a Monday? What is it about a Monday? To be honest with you, Mondays are the worst days for me to start, because I'm like, oh, the weekend is over, I'm tired, and I'm stressed, and oh my God, there's a bar of chocolate right there, or I just want to watch this TV show, I've worked really hard today, I'm not going to go on that jog, or finish that paper, or whatever it may be. So, instead of starting on Monday, or the first of the month, or the first of the year, start now.
One point that Mariah just brought up, like, it's obvious to me that Judith Viorst is an American author and not a Middle Eastern author, because in many countries in other parts of the world,
The week starts
on Sunday. So maybe for them, it's starting on Sunday instead of starting on Monday.
That's a really
The
good
whole
point.
point is, seize the opportunity today. Seize the day today. Start now.
With that, we're going to wrap this video up.
If you want more information, details, academic vocabulary, you want to improve your listening, reading comprehension, you can check out our post on Friday, not starting on Monday, starting this Friday. BookMeBiteMe.com.
Or go there now.
Yes.
Go there now. BookMeBiteMe.com.
Like and share. Until next time, reading is delicious.
Savor the read.